Let's have a talk about the realities of making a living from day trading. And I've seen it. It's often portrayed as just a fast track to financial freedom, okay? But the truth is, it's a bit more nuanced. Even those most popular videos on YouTube that I've seen, well, a lot of them are pretty misleading at best. So first things first, we're talking about making a living. We got to talk about income trends. So the U.S. Census Bureau has some pretty sobering news. The real median income in the United States, it's been on a downward trajectory. This is the latest available data. And you can see from 2019 to 2022, we're seeing almost a $4,000 drop in real median household income. So this decline is going to really highlight the importance of you having a stable income source just in general, but especially if you're going to start day trading. So how much does it take to live comfortably? Well, there's different sources out there. It gives us different benchmarks. So the CNBC Smart Asset Analysis, it says the national median income for a single person to live comfortably is $89,000. And that's based on the 50-30-20 budgeting rule. But it's not that simple. This number is going to vary depending on the state that you live in. If you live in West Virginia, you're looking at about $48,000. If you head out to Massachusetts, well, it's $116,000. And Canada's no different. There was an Abacus data survey that found that Canadians, they believe that they need $79,000 a year before taxes to live comfortably. Gen Z estimates $100,000 and boomers estimate about $64,000. So let's put this in perspective. If your goal is to earn $60,000 a year, you need to make consistent daily profits of $238. And that's assuming 252 trading days every year. If you want to hit the $100,000 mark, you're going to need to bring in daily gains average of $397. So it is very possible to make a living from day trading, but it's important that you understand that it's difficult and it's not common. Studies show that about 4 to 5% of day traders are consistently profitable enough to make a living. You can always learn from those that succeed. That's how you get better at anything. So they have had adequate starting capital to withstand losses. And this amount, it's going to vary depending on several factors, the markets that you're trading, these trading strategies that you use, and an individual's risk tolerance. You need a proven trading strategy that you develop over months or years of practice. And I'm going to tell you right now, copy, and then deep dive into why it works. So you also have to have the ability to treat day trading like a full-time job. You have to dedicate significant time and effort just like you do a 9-to-5. Day trading also involves risks, high financial losses, emotional stress, significant time commitment. So I want you to make sure that you're approaching day trading with realistic expectations and a solid risk management plan. There's some really good news. While making a living only from day trading is a bit challenging, it can absolutely be a viable option as a supplementary income stream alongside a regular and stable income from employment. So this approach is going to give you a few benefits. You're going to have financial stability. When you have a steady job, it's going to provide you a safety net, and it's going to reduce the pressure on you to consistently generate profits from day trading. Skill development. You can actually take the time to develop your day trading skills and the strategies without relying on it as your sole source of income. And reduced risk. When you have a stable income, you can allocate a smaller portion of your capital to day trading. It's going to minimize the impact of losses on your overall financial well-being. So when you treat day trading as a supplementary income stream, you actually enjoy the potential benefits of trading while at the same time you're maintaining financial security through your primary job. Make sure that you approach day trading with a long-term mindset and make sure you focus on gradual growth. And some effective strategies to consider include focusing on futures trading for stability and consistency, like crude oil. It's very popular. Stick to trading the same instrument every day to develop expertise and familiarity with that instrument. Again, think of crude oil. Think of setting a maximum daily loss limit to manage your risk and preserve capital. So at NetPicks, we call it the power of quitting. So we know when to shut it down during the day. And just be realistic about the journey you're about to go on. And there's challenges. So you need to really learn to maintain discipline, manage your emotions, and just avoid the temptation of chasing unrealistic returns. That adage, slow and steady wins the race, is absolutely true. So let's think about modest daily gains. When you can do this consistently, it's going to add up to a pretty decent income. For example, consistent daily profits of $200, that translates to an annual income of over 50 grand. That's 252 trading days per year. And that's nothing to sneeze at. I know a lot of people can use an extra 50 grand a year. So let's hit on the top 3 points of this video. Okay. Number 1, treat day trading as a supplementary income stream alongside a stable job for now, right? Because having a steady job is going to give you stability. It's going to reduce pressure on you. You're going to develop your trading skills. And with a stable income, you can allocate a smaller portion of your capital to day trading because you don't need to make money to live off of. Second, develop a sustainable trading strategy and master risk management techniques, right? So focus on developing a trading strategy that works for you. Think of futures trading, sticking to the same instrument every day to build expertise on it, and master your risk management techniques to protect your capital. That's setting a maximum daily loss limit. So number 3, set realistic expectations and focus on gradual growth. Understand that making a living only from day trading, it's difficult. Only a small percentage of traders can do it. So set those realistic expectations, focus on the gradual growth, prioritize you being consistent over those big, huge, high return wins. Like even modest daily gains, when you do it consistently, adds up to a respectable annual income. And look, day trading does offer the potential for massive financial success. It's demanding, requires skill, discipline, and expectations that are realistic. You got to understand it's going to be tough, but it can be an absolute viable option as a supplementary income stream. Now, remember this though. Every successful trader out there, they started somewhere, but they had dedication, they had patience, and they wanted to learn. And you can actually make progress towards day trading goals. Okay, now the odds are challenging, but I'm telling you right now, with the right mindset and the right approach, it is absolutely 100% possible for you to build a successful day trading career alongside your primary job. And in the end of all of it, you actually may turn out to be one of those who got everything lined up and succeeded full time.